Good afternoon. My name is Thor from Iceland in Motion. I'm gonna take a look at cloud and activity for tonight, 24th of October, no of November. So currently we see these big clouds, they are moving in from the west. So if you are in Reykjavik, you have maybe 1 hour until it clouds out. So you have to go just right away to Grótta. Lights are already active, so Þingvellir looks clouded, you know, the blue stuff here. Dark areas on the sea is open sky. Grayish area on the land is open, so it's currently open from Selfoss throughout the coast towards Skaftafell, where we have some clouds. Maybe partly open around Glacier Lagoon. Then we have clouds all the way up here, open in the northeast, partly open or open in Akureyri at the moment. So we need to get the lights early before all these white clouds come. They are moving in like this way, and they will block most of the country. Tonight maybe parts of the southeast will be open, but then need to get those clouds to move away. So all in all, good chance early on. We'll see what happens later. So let's take a look at the activity. We have enhanced conditions in terms of solar wind. You see normal solar wind is like 400, so it's enhanced, aligned with magnetic good magnetic alignment. This going red guarantees lights, and they could be pretty good. So try to go out as early as you can, and if this continues to be negative, we're gonna have light peaks every 3 hours and probably decent lights in the build-up in between, but then we need a clear sky to be able to see it. So for Reykjavik, you need to get them early before the clouds come, and maybe we can see through the clouds a little bit further east. But good prospect of activity. Clouds could be challenging. Good luck for tonight, guys. Hope you have a successful hunt.